A program may wish to look up values or elements based on another value, such as looking up an employee's record based on an employee ID. Okay, so there is one interface named as map. So in this interface, within the Java collection framework, it defines a collection that will associate some of the values with the associated keys, which are also called maps. So here the statement import java.util.HashMap. This type is an abstract data type will be implemented for any of the classes that are the generic classes. And if we are supposed to use the HashMap, we need to import this library java.util.HashMap. Okay, well, let's come to the syntax of the HashMap. Like in the case of um, linked list, here for creating one HashMap, the HashMap is also a type of collection or storing elements. We use this. The syntax will be like this: HashMap, what type of data that you want to add to, type name of the object, new keyword, HashMap, then type of the object in the same sequence and parenthesis, semicolon. So this is where you are going to create one HashMap object. And the basic syntax is like this: HashMap key for the key, and P is the value associated with the key. And HashMap, the object name equals to new, the class name again, and then key and P, short forms and then parenthesis. So key represents the K represents the HashMap key type, and B represents the HashMap value type. Let's start with our program here. Like linked list, in HashMap, we do have some other functions. Put function. So first, put function is used, which associates with the key with a specified value. Suppose we have the state abbreviations like this, and each state is associated with some value as it has shown. So put method basically associates the key value with the values. Now, if you want to print this statement, let me run the program and see what will happen then. Population of Arizona in 2013 is, now you want to find out the value associated with the state AZ, that is Arizona. So you can use another one function, get function, with specifying the key which will give you the value associated with Arizona, as I'm highlighting here, which is associated with Arizona. Now, to check, there are some cases where you want to check if a map contains a specific key or not. So some value is associated with a key or not. So if the value is associated with a specific key, then that there is one function named as contains key, which will check, for our example here, with the state ny key value, what value is associated. If some value is associated, it will return true. If no value associated, it will return false. So in our hash map, we don't have any state name ny. That's why it is showing false. In HashMap, there are other additional functions. Put if absent, contains value, remove, clear, key set, and values. So go through each one of the functions, refer the examples, and try to build your own program. And this is all about HashMap.